While there are many causes for a foundation to settle or sink, one of the most common is the bearing strata being compromised by changes in moisture levels. In this example, after much precipitation, the water table rises high enough to saturate the bearing strata soil. It collapses after the soil dries out, causing the foundation to settle or sink. Masonry Repair Corp offers two permanent solutions to repair a settled structure: the load-tested resistance or push pier system and the helical piers, which are steel piles screwed into the soil until the required torque is achieved. Let's first take a look at the push pier system. Push piers are installed by first placing a galvanized steel bracket underneath the footing of the foundation and then utilizing a hydraulic ram. Steel piles are driven below the structure until they reach load-bearing strata. Additional piers are installed to stabilize the entire affected area. After all the piers are installed, hydraulic jacks are placed atop each pier to lift the structure uniformly. The jacks are removed after the structure is lifted, and the piers remain permanently in place. The helical pier system is installed by drilling steel piles into load-bearing strata. The steel is driven until it reaches a torque level sufficient to bear the structure's weight. Unlike push piers, the structure's weight is not used to drive the piles. This makes helical piers ideal for new construction, since they can be installed before new concrete foundations are poured. Once the piers are installed, hydraulic jacks can also be used to lift the structure, and the piers remain permanently in place. Due to the structure's weight, if all settled areas are not stabilized, an attempt to lift the structure may cause additional damage to the foundation. Engineering requires that pier spacing be 5 to 7 feet apart, depending on the strength of the footing. The helical and push pier systems are guaranteed solutions for permanent foundation stabilization.